So this is the second lesson of Unit 8, 8.02. Remember, we're talking about right triangles and then eventually trigonometry. Today we're going to learn about an altitude. An altitude is a segment that is drawn through the vertex that is perpendicular to the base. So the altitude in this triangle is BE. We know it's perpendicular to the side that it hits. So it hits this side, AC. So an altitude has to be perpendicular. Another word you'll see for altitude is like the height. So the height of a triangle. Now it's very important, and we use this especially when we're finding the area of a triangle, because we have to multiply the base times the height. You'll also see it written now as altitude. And if you think about altitude in other contexts, if you think about a mountain, it's how high the mountain is, but it's perpendicular to that base. Later on, as in tomorrow, we're also going to learn that altitudes create three similar right triangles. So as you can see, there is a right triangle here. We'll call that BEC. And this is the altitude. And there's a right triangle over here. Here's the right angle. If I spin that triangle around, A, E, B, so that I have a short leg and a long leg, just like the green triangle. This is the altitude now, E to B. So tomorrow we'll look at those similar triangles and how to set up proportions. But for today, we're just going to learn how to draw the altitude on it. So to graph an altitude of a triangle, it's just going to be perpendicular to the base. So if this was my base, it would be perpendicular and hit at a 90-degree angle. But I could also have this be the base and draw perpendicular, or I could have the last side, AB, be my base. And I could have a perpendicular line to AB. So it depends on what the question is asking, so that's why it's super important that we read this carefully. So point D is not graphed, such that B to D is an altitude. So it's going to go from B and hit over here somewhere. So I know the side that I'm about to intersect is AC. So this is my base, AC. And it's important that we find the slope of the base. So the slope of AC equals, if I just look, it's down 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. So my slope is down 3 over 1, or negative 3. So my slope of BD is going to be perpendicular to this base. So I know my perpendicular slope is the opposite reciprocal. So that is going to be positive 1 because I changed the sign. And I flip the fraction. It's 3 over 1. I'm going to make it 1 over 3. So this is my slope of BD. 1 over 3. And to graph this, I just have to start at B, go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Here is point D. If I draw that in, I make a 90-degree angle. That is the height of that triangle when AC is the base. Pause the video, try the problem to the right, and I'll show you the answer. On this question, it's asking us to find the altitude AD. So I'm going from point A, and I'm going to intersect the side across from it. So I'm intersecting BC. So I need to first find my slope of BC. And that's down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 6 over 5. So I know my slope of AD is going to be perpendicular. So my opposite